Good morning, kids. Today I'm going to tell you a story on toy talk. Yes, in a playroom we have few toys that are talking to each other. Isn't it exciting? And at the end, we will understand the true value of respect. Yes, that we should respect each other. So, let's start. Now the character of these toys are, we have Bob, a teddy bear, Aunt Martha, a lady made of blue and orange modeling clay, Coco, a figure made out of Lego, Betty, a stuffed puppy, and Cuckoo, a clock. Now all these characters are living in a school playroom. Let's see now. Aunt Martha. Happy birthday, Bob. I got a present for you. Bob. Oh, Aunt Martha, thank you so much. Can't wait to see what is inside the parcel. Aunt Martha. Hey, open your present and see if you like it. Bob opens the present hurriedly. Whoa, Aunt Martha, it's amazing. What a beautiful drum. I always wanted to learn drumming. Aunt Martha. I am glad that you liked it. Now you can learn how to play drum and I will invite you to play at my party. I am sure you will make a very cool drummer, Bob. So it is Bob's birthday and Aunt Martha has gifted Bob a drum. Bob. Haha, thanks a lot, Aunt Martha. I will surely play at your party. Drum, 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 drum. Bob went all around the playroom beating the drum. Coco. Hey Bob, can you please not beat your drum now? Everybody wants to sleep. Bob. I don't care about it. I love drumming. I will play it whenever I want. Betty. Woof woof, Bob. My ears are hurting when you beat the drum this loud. Bob. I like beating the drum this way, Betty. If you have a problem, try to find a corner where you can't hear me. Coco. Betty, come with me. I've made a new pair of earplugs. I am sure they are going to help you. Betty. What does these earplugs do, Coco? Now Coco says, these are special earplugs that only allow you to hear normal sound and block all the annoying sound. Betty. Whoa, Coco, that's so amazing. Why don't you use it? Use them yourself too. I am sure the loud drumming irritates you as well. Now the Coco is saying, Betty, that you come with me, I will give you earplugs. You put those earplugs and you will not hear this annoying sound of the drum. So Betty is saying, you must be also getting irritated with this drum sound, so you also use it. She's saying, no, I am fine. You use the earplugs. Now Coco say, yes, it does, but I think you need them more. Your ears hurt badly with this loud sound. Bob. Hey, how dare you call my drumming irritating and annoying? You are so jealous. Now Bob is saying to Coco and Betty, how are you calling my drum sound irritating and annoying? It is because you are jealous and you don't know how to play it. And then Bob pushes Coco. Coco. Bob, don't use your hand. I don't want to fight. Bob. Why are you scared now? Coco. Bob, your drumming right now is just loud noise which annoys everybody. You can practice it in the morning, but you have been doing it all day and nobody was able to rest peacefully. Bob. Shut up, Coco. I do not have to learn from you what I should do and what I should not. Bob pushes Coco further. Now Bob is pushing Coco. Now the Coco is saying, don't push me, okay? I don't want to fight with you. Your drum is irritating us whole day and we are not able to rest. Coco. Stop pushing me. I will fall off the table. Bob. First you take your words back. Coco. No, I won't. What I said was true. Now move away. Bob. No, you move away. And saying this, he gave Coco a hard push. Coco. I am falling. Help. Somebody help. Now Coco fell off from the table and was dismantled. Betty. Bob, what did you do? See, Coco has gone into pieces after falling from such a height. नाउ बॉब ने जैसे ही थोड़ा सा पुश किया कोको को, कोको ज़मीन पे जाके गिर के डिसमेंटल हो गया है। बेटी बोलती है तुमने ये क्या किया है, इतने ऊपर से बॉब को कोको को धक्का दिया है कि कोको टूट गया है। बॉब, आई एम सॉरी, आई डिडंट मीन सो, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी कोको। बेरी, go away Bob, we don't need your sorry, nobody wants to talk to you. Coco, are you fine? Oh, he's all broken, he cannot get up now. So Betty is saying, we don't need your sorry, you just go away Bob. It doesn't much matter to Bob when everybody stopped talking to him. He continued with his drumming and doesn't care for anybody. So कोको के टूटने के बाद भी बॉब को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा था, कोई उससे बात कर रहा था नहीं कर रहा था, वो सिर्फ अपना ड्रम बजाता रह रहा था। नेक्स्ट डे अ नॉइज इज हर्ड, टिक टॉक, व्हाट्स द नॉइज? अनदर नॉइज इज हर्ड, कुकू कुकू। नाउ व्हाट्स दिस नॉइज? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द प्ले रूम? First tick tock and now morning, all morning and now this irritating noise. Oh gosh, stop it, stop the noise. Now Bob is hearing one more noise which is saying tick tock, cuckoo, and Bob is getting irritated. There is a new cuckoo clock in the playroom. I am so happy Aunt Martha placed it right next to you where you sleep. Now you know how it feels to get disturbed all day. So Betty says Aunt Martha has put a cuckoo clock where you sleep. Now we will see how you sleep all day. Bob, Betty, go away. I don't want to fight with you early in the morning. Betty, do you know Bob? Bob, what? What now, Betty? Betty, the clock cuckoos every hour. Isn't that amazing, huh? Bob, go away Betty, go away. Now Betty is saying ये कुकू क्लॉक हर घंटे में आवाज़ करती है, अब मज़ा आएगा. After few hours, oh God, the clock keeps making this annoying noise. All these people have their own special ear plugs, only I don't have it. 1 hour later, Bob says, hey Betty, can you lend me your earplugs for some time? This noise is very irritating. Betty says, oh, you find it annoying? Why don't you play your drum? Bob, Betty, I'm sorry. Now I realize how annoying my drumming have been to you all. Now Bob is getting irritated with the clock and he does not have those earplugs. So he went to Betty and asked, can you lend me your earplugs? Betty बोलती है मैं नहीं देने वाली, अभी तुम अपना ड्रम बजाओ, पता पड़ेगा कितना इरिटेट होते थे हम लोग. Betty, I don't want to talk to you Bob, you broke Coco and annoyed everybody, please go. Disappointed Bob go and met Aunt Martha. Bob, Aunt Martha, nobody wants to talk to me, nobody wants to help me, the clock noise really annoys me all day. Aunt Martha, Bob, you did not respect anybody's feeling that annoyed everybody. You shouldn't have gone about drumming whole day. The right way to practice it is at one time. It would then have been more musical and soothing, not irritating. I purposely placed the cuckoo near you to teach you a lesson. Bob, yes Auntie Martha, I now realized my mistake. Please tell me, what should I do? Aunt Martha, do you want to prove to everybody that you also respect them and care for others? Bob, yes Aunt Martha, I really want everybody to know that I have realized my mistake and I respect their feelings. Aunt Martha, start reconstructing Coco, then everybody will be friends again. Bob, Aunt Martha, I will do it. I will spend all my time with Coco and reconstruct him. It was my mistake that he fell down. I will rebuild him. Now, Bob spent 2 days, 2 nights working on him, hardly getting any sleep. Finally finished putting Coco back. तो बॉब आंट मार्था के पास जाके कहता है ये क्लॉक बहुत इरिटेट करती है आवाज़ और कोई मुझे हेल्प नहीं करता है. तो आंट मार्था कहती है तुमने भी लोगों को इरिटेट किया है अपने ड्रमिंग से, तो अगर तुमको लोगों को बोलना है दैट यू आर केयरिंग एंड लविंग, यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग कोको अगेन. वो लेगा बॉय जिसको उन्होंने तोड़ दिया था बॉब ने, तो बॉब उसको वापस बनाने लग जाते हैं. Bob, thanks a lot for bringing me back. No, Coco, please don't say this. It was my mistake. I pushed you off the table. Please forgive me for that. Coco, hey, don't worry about it. Oh, my ears. What is this noise? Bob, it's Cuckoo, the clock. It makes this noise the whole day. Coco, oh, I can't hear that. That's same as yours. Bob, I know my drumming. I was really sorry. Coco, hey, that's okay. Come, I will help you with a pair of those new special earplugs. Bob, thanks Coco, thanks a lot. I think I will finally be able to get some sleep now. Bob finally earned everybody's friendship. He could do so only because he realized the importance of respecting others and their feelings. Aunt Martha placed cuckoo clock far away from the playroom. Yes, children. So this was the story about toy talking. So they were talking to each other, and Bob was not respecting everybody's space. He was just drumming around and irritating everybody. But when he realized that listening to unwanted sound is irritating, he realized that he should respect everybody. We should respect everybody and we should treat them with love and care. Okay, that is what I want from you kids. If you are playing something and your father or mother or anybody is sleeping or getting disturbed, stop doing that. Respect their feelings and let them rest, right? You read the lesson thoroughly, and I will meet you in the next class with the other activities of the lesson. Okay, till that time, be safe and enjoy. Bye bye.